How do I fix django.db.utils.IntegrityError, duplicate key value, violates unique constraint? I'm getting the following error. Background: I've been using mysql with Django 1.4.3 up until this point. Now I've installed Postgres 9.3 and Psycop 2.5.2. Validate and syncdb worked fine. South is not installed. I ran a script, which works with mysql. The script loops through GPS files and saves lat/lon data in a coordinates table. I have a unique underscore together equals let lon constraint in the model definition. Some of the coordinates are identical, thus the use of get underscore or underscore create. I find myself scratching my head because it should be getting the coordinates and not attempting to create new ones. Most of the questions on this site about Postgres and Django almost inevitably mention South. Do I need South, or is something else going on here? I just wanted to do a quick and dirty test without installing migrations. Update 1. Something else I tried was to run select set val django underscore content underscore type underscore id underscore seek select max id from django underscore content underscore type in Postgres on the suggestion of another post. The error persists. Update 2. Okay, I didn't realize that I needed to put all of my coordinates fields in the default state. The coordinates model contains another field, date underscore created equals models.datetime field, auto underscore now underscore at equals true. I found the following blog post that seems to explain that get underscore or underscore create breaks when you use auto underscore now underscore at equals true. The big question is now, how do I use auto underscore now underscore at and without breaking get underscore or underscore create?
You missed default's argument in there. Get underscore underscore create call. Then, if there is no record in the DB with the specified lat, lon, it will create a new record with the default lat, lon, which obviously are not auto-generated, and you get the integrity error. As the unique index consists of columns lat, lon and created underscore by, looking at the index name from the error, you should use all of them in the filters of get underscore underscore create.
This answered my question. The auto underscore now and auto underscore now underscore add were just fine. It turns out that all of my defaults are already defined on the model. The problem was that group ulat and group ulon were both cast as floats when I placed them in my dictionary. In contrast, lat and lon are both defined as decimal fields. When using mysql, I can compare these float values against the contents of the database just fine. However, when I use Postgres, the get portion of get underscore underscore create attempts to compare a decimal value from the database with the float values I was providing it. The types are interpreted more strongly, and the float will not be cast to a decimal during the comparison. In my debugger, I saw. It would be nice if Django could produce a clear error like type error column can't compare decimal with float dot.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.